Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series Building High-Converting BFCM Landing Pages with EComposer. In Part 1, we walked you through creating a high-converting Black Friday landing page. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. Today, in Part 2 of our series on building high-converting BFCM landing pages with EComposer, we're going to tackle Cyber Monday, one of the biggest online shopping days of the year. Stay tuned, because we're going to guide you step by step on how to maximize your Cyber Monday sales with a high-converting landing page. Step 1. Access EComposer. First step, from Shopify Admin, click on App. Select EComposer Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, find the link in this video description and install now. Now, from the EComposer app dashboard, click on Start Building. In the Quick View window, go to Landing and Pages. Here you have two options. Option 1. Type keyword Cyber Monday. Then select the pre-built Cyber Monday page template. Then just adjust the content, image, products, and deals your brand prepared for this event. Option 2. Choose to build from scratch. In this video, I'll start with a blank template and guide you step by step through using the EComposer editor to build a Cyber Monday landing page just like this one. Now, name your page and access the EComposer editor. Step 2. Start building Cyber Monday landing page. Now let's go to Section 1, Hero Banner. Starting with a one-column section with full content width and 0 bottom padding. Go to the navigator, select the column in the Hero section, then change the padding. Select the Section 1 again. Then change the background color to black and add the dotted wavy background image. Scrolling down, you can adjust various parameters of the image display, like position, attachment, repeat, and size. Select the column, then add the background and background overlay image. You will see I'm colorizing this landing page in the purple and green palette. And this is the outcome. Then add the text and headings like Best Season Offer, Unleash the Cyber Savings. Then, change the design, starting with this text first. I will align it to center. Change the text color to white, then adjust its typography parameters, like font family, font size, weight, line height, etc. Go to this text's advanced settings and adjust the margin and padding. Now, let's add other heading below. To save time, I will drop one heading element once, then just choose duplicate, then add another content for the rest elements. Next, adjust each heading design. I will align it to center. Then adjust its typography parameters, like font family, font size, weight, line height, etc. Change the text color to white. You can see the word unleash and the are next to each other, but they have different typography. To do that, after completing changing each text design, I will go to the Advanced tab, set the same bottom padding, then choose to set the inline width for them. And this is the outcome. Now, I changed the design of the cyber saving text. Also do similar adjustment like the unleash the heading above, like changing the font family. Adjust font size, weight, and line height, etc. But here's the new one. I want the word cyber to be bolder than the word savings. So I'll go back to the Content Settings tab, highlight the word cyber, and select the letter beyond the toolbar. Finally, go to the navigator, choose the column 1, switch to its Content Setting tab to change the horizontal align to center. Next, I will add an inner row with the ratio 60:40. And set boxed content width. Max width is 780 pixel. No column gap. Left side is from motivational text like, explore our exclusive Cyber Monday deals. Hurry, they're here today, gone in a digital blink. Spend a few minutes aligning text and changing the typography. And text color. Move to the right side, add a 1-column inner row. Delete one redundant column, then go to this row setting. Here, I will choose the boxed content width. Max width is 330 pixels. And minus 70 pixels for top margin. The right side is used to create a visual badge with middle content alignment. A purple background image, 70 pixels for left padding, and 20 pixels for top and bottom padding. Set some text on that badge, like up to 70% off. Then, spend a few minutes changing this badge design. I will make this badge more vibrant by choosing the whole badge, then going to the Advanced Setting tab, selecting Transform, and rotating this badge about 7 degrees. To finish this section, I will create a stunning countdown timer, starting with an inner row. I only need 1 column to cover my countdown timer. Set the top margin for this row. Set the boxed content width with max width is 648 pixels. No column gap. Then drag and drop the countdown element on the desired position. We have full tutorial about how to create and customize the countdown timer with EComposer. Just search, watch, and learn. Countdown timers can increase conversions by up to 9%. Don't skip this crucial element. Remember to adjust the spacing. Add some code to create the border around the countdown timer. I will stick this custom code in this video description. Please scroll down and grab now. And, finally, a floating clock to cite the countdown timer and create a sense of urgency. Section 2. Product feature. Starting by a one-column section with full content width. Black background color. Zero pixels for top and 50 pixels for bottom paddings. Then add an inner row with boxed content width. Max width is 1320 pixels and 25 pixels for top margin. Unlike some page building videos before, I will use the product box element. This element is a game changer. It dynamically displays your products, making updates effortless. With this element, you can combine various components on. Once selecting a product, all parameters will display the value of that product, such as product image, product title, price, product link, etc. I will complete one product box, then duplicate and change other products on. As mentioned, all components in the product box will be changed based on the chosen item information. Complete this section with a button leading consumers to explore the full collection. Section 3. Brands feature. This section is used to showcase brands that you collaborate with or include in your business. Starting with a single column section with no column gap, black background, and 40 pixels for top and bottom paddings. Next, I will add the inner row on the section space I have set already with a ratio of 25:75. Select the middle option for align items, center for align content. In the left column, I will place the text like Explore our brands. The right side is for placing slider element to show brands. Please make sure all brand logos have the same height. You can see I have deleted the sample content of this slider. Now, I will drag and drop the image on one slide, then upload a logo on. Then select the slider. Duplicate the completed slide. Then change another logo on. To make your logo showcase slider more visual, let's do some slider settings configuration. I'm gonna set the autoplay. Speed at 4000 milliseconds. Items per row is 4. 20 pixels for column gap. And disable slider navigation. Moving to the slider spacing setting, I will set the left and right padding at 10. And 0 for bottom padding. And this is the outcome. Section 4. Counter. This section is used to present notable numbers of your brand, like the number of happy customers, customer satisfaction ratings, number of serving countries. Starting by a basic one-column section. To build this section, I will use the element called counter. Drag and drop this element to the predetermined location. Then, name the title. Set up the counter value. We have a full tutorial on how to use the EComposer counter element. Just tap and watch more here. Back to this video. Here I will spend a few seconds changing the heading and counter value color, typography, and alignment. I will configure one counter column first, then just duplicate and adjust the content for other values. In this case, they are customer rating and serving countries. Section 5. Coupon deals. If you have limited deals to promote, this is the must-have section you need to build for your Cyber Monday page. Select a one-column section with black background color. Set up the top and bottom padding for this section. Next, drop the inner row on and set it at the ratio 50:50. The left side is for countdown promo, heading, description, and button leading to the claim deal page or sale-off collection. Exclusive coupons create a sense of exclusivity that customers love. Then, I will add the illustration on the right column. Unlike other page building tutorials we made before, in this landing page, I will put the newsletter box into this section. Add the inner row below. To build the newsletter box, I need one column in this inner row only. Pick up the 80 pixels for top and bottom padding. Add the dotted wavy image background. Shape the section by a green border. Then add the image and content for this. And don't forget the newsletter below. Building your email list during high traffic periods sets you up for future marketing success. Section 6, Brand Services. This is also an essential part that every Cyber Monday landing page should have to present key benefits the shoppers will receive. To build this section, I will start with a one-column section with a black background color. Radial gradient back image, (130 pixels for top padding, and 165 pixels for bottom padding. Next, add the heading, like shipping and return information. To configure this heading like this, you can rewatch the full guideline at the minute for 35. Below is the features element. I will choose the list style as grid. Then add each service content image, heading, and contents. Set the items per row at 3, and space between at 60 for pixels. Then spend a few time adjusting the setting of each component's display. Starting with the General Design tab, I will change the featured service box's color. Next, set the border radius for 4 corners of those boxes as 40. And adjust their spacing. Because I chose the illustration style of my featured items element as image, I will click here to adjust this component instead the featured icon tab below. My images are too small, so I will increase their width and height. Align them to center. Change their border radius and spacing. Lastly, change the heading and description typography and color to make them more visual. Move to this element Advanced Settings. Here I will add some spacing for its top and bottom margins. After finishing this part of the design setting, I will create the quick footer with some content and social channels. Don't forget to optimize for mobile responsiveness to reach customers on all devices. Over 50% of online shoppers use mobile devices. Don't miss out on this massive audience. So to help you understand deeply and start optimizing your Cyber Monday page, we will stick the full tutorial about EComposer page responsiveness optimization in this video. Check, watch, and learn now. Plus, you can check whether your Cyber Monday landing page is SEO friendly or not by using EComposer SEO audit feature. Step 4. Save and publish your landing page. Once you're happy, click Save and then Publish. Congratulations! Your Cyber Monday landing page is live and ready to attract shoppers. Want to make this process even faster? I recommend you use EComposer pre-built templates to build your desired Cyber Monday landing page. Access over 400+ page templates and 1,000+ section templates that help to build your page in a fraction of the time. Now's the perfect time to try EComposer. They're offering the BFCM discounts, up to 40% off on all paid plans for the first 3 months, starting at just $11 per month. Don't miss this chance to level up your store before the BFCM rush. Click the link in the description to claim this offer and make your store stand out this Cyber Monday. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get all the updates. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and here's to a record-breaking Cyber Monday.